Greetings, future millionaires. Are you tired of feeling like a befuddled dodo when it comes to investing? Fear not, for your journey to financial prowess begins here. In this comprehensive investment guide, we're about to debunk the myth that successful investors possess supernatural powers. No capes or telekinesis. Just insider tips that'll set you on the path to investment greatness. So tighten your seatbelt as we embark on this epic journey. And remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join us for the entire ride. Building the foundation of financial wisdom. Let's start by dispelling the notion that successful investors have otherworldly abilities. There's no magic involved. Just sound principles and strategies that anyone can learn. Say goodbye to those scenes of confused folks struggling with calculators and tossing money around like confetti. It's time to equip yourself with the essential knowledge that will make you the master of your financial destiny. Diving into the financial basics, understanding the power of compound interest will demystify the concept of compound interest and show you how it can turn your investments into a snowball of wealth over time. Compound interest is like planting a tree. The earlier you start, the larger your financial forest will grow. Creating a budget. Learn the art of budgeting to free up funds for investing while still enjoying life's pleasures. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about conscious spending that aligns with your financial goals. Emergency funds and debunking debt myths. Discover the importance of having an emergency fund and how to manage debt effectively, clearing the path for your investment journey. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind in times of uncertainty. The mindset of financial success. Uncover the mindset shifts needed to succeed in the world of investments. Embracing delayed gratification, staying patient, and seeking continuous education are key pillars of a successful investor's mindset. Navigating the thrilling world of stocks and bonds. Welcome back. Money magicians. With your financial foundation solidified, it's time to don the cloak of financial wizardry and step into the captivating universe of stocks and bonds. Prepare for the exhilarating ride that will empower you to take control of your investments. Mastering stocks and bonds. Understanding stocks. We'll break down the basics of stocks, helping you comprehend ownership, dividends, and the intriguing dance of supply and demand. Investing in stocks is like becoming a partial owner of a company. You share in its profits and growth. Cracking the code of bonds. Dive into the world of bonds, where you'll grasp the concept of fixed income securities and their role in your investment portfolio. Bonds offer stability and regular income, making them a valuable addition to a diversified portfolio. Exploring risk and reward. Uncover the relationship between risk and reward, learning how to balance your investments for long-term success. Risk is the spice of investing, but managing it through diversification and research can lead to a flavorful financial journey. The art of fundamental analysis. Discover the fundamental analysis approach to evaluating investments. We'll guide you through assessing a company's financial health, understanding its competitive landscape, and making informed decisions. Ascending to investment mastery and beyond. Ahoy! Fearless investment warriors. You've braved storms and market turmoil, and now it's time for the grand finale. Prepare to receive the ultimate arsenal of tips and tricks that will propel you toward market domination and retirement glory. Elevating your investment strategy. Diversification demystified. Learn the art of diversification and how it shields your portfolio from the whims of a volatile market. Diversifying across different asset classes and industries is like having a safety net that cushions you during market fluctuations. Emotional intelligence in investing. Discover the role of emotional intelligence in making rational investment decisions and avoiding impulsive moves. Emotional intelligence helps you stay level, headed when the market is anything but. Long-term vision and patience. We'll emphasize the power of long-term investing and the patience required to reap the rewards of your efforts. Just as Rome wasn't built in a day, substantial wealth isn't amassed overnight. It's a journey that requires commitment. Harnessing technological tools. Explore the technological tools. Explore the technological advancements that have democratized investing. From advisors to online brokerage platforms, these tools have made investing more accessible and user-friendly than ever before. Congratulations, investment champions! You've conquered our epic adventure, armed with the knowledge to tackle the financial world like a seasoned pro. Remember, it's not about magic. It's about applying humor, wisdom, and a dash of luck to your investments. If you've enjoyed this guide, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and keep your brilliance shining as you journey toward boundless wealth. Stay tuned for more invaluable insights. And until next time, keep investing like a true pro.